Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. Welcome to Financial Management e-Learning. Today I am going for Module 2 of Business Ethics, Corporate Governance. So let us start. In my first module of Business Ethics and Corporate Governance, I have covered the importance of ethics, value, attitude, and professional accountant, legal framework of a standard business. Today, we will learn the role of National Professional Oversight Boards of Accountancy and Auditing Practicing Board. In Bangladesh context, Financial Reporting Council of Bangladesh. So, the Professional Oversight Board for Accountancy, the UK, in relation to the regulation of the accountancy profession, the board intends to achieve its aim by reviewing the regulatory activities of the professional accountancy bodies in relation to their members, including education, training, continuing professional development, standards, ethical matters, professional conduct and discipline, registration and monitoring, including making recommendation on how these activities might be improved. So regulation, auditing practicing board, it has the Professional Oversight Board. Auditing practicing board sets auditor standard based on international standards on auditing and a code of ethics for auditors. And Professional Oversight Board has oversight the professional bodies and accountancy firm, auditors. The Audit Practice Board of UK, the board intends to achieve its aim by establishing auditing standard which set out the basic principles and essential procedures with which external auditors in the UK and the Republic of Ireland are required to comply. The Audit Practice Board UK issuing guidance on the application of auditor standards and establishes standards of relating guidance for the accountants providing assurance service, establishing ethical standards in relation to the independence, objectivity, and integrity of external auditors and those providing assurance service, taking an appropriate role in the development of status, regulation, and accounting standards which affect the conduct of auditing and assurance service both domestically and internationally. The Auditing Practicing Board in the UK contributed to efforts to advance public understanding of the roles and responsibility of external auditors and the provides of assurance services, including the sponsorship of resources. So, okay, it's for UK, but in Bangladesh, you know, we have Financial Reporting Council. You know, in Bangladesh, Parliament enacted Financial Reporting Act, FRA, in 2015. FRA requires the establishment of the Financial Reporting Council, an independent oversight body to bring trust, creditworthiness, transparency, and accountability in the audited reports in the financial reporting process, followed by the audited reports accounting financial reporting of the publicly listed companies. The main purpose of FRC is to regulate the financial reporting process followed by the public interest entities. It will also regulate auditing profession of the country. The FRC is a 12 members body comprising of representative government, the Bangladesh Bank, Bangladesh Securities and Exchange Commission, the FBCCI, and also the president of ICAB and president of ICMAB, both are the member of FRC. So mission, vision, and values of FRC. What is the mission of FRC in Bangladesh? To be a model organization, ensuring quality in auditing, accounting, and financial and non-financial reporting. And mission, to bring corporate confidence in auditing, financial and non-financial reporting among users of financial statement. You go the FRC website, www.frcbd.org. There, everything is written is there. An objective as per the Financial Reporting Act to promote the provision of high quality reporting of financial and non-financial information by public interest entities, to prompt the highest standards among licensed auditors, to ensure the credibility of financial reporting, and to improve the quality of accountancy and audit services. So domain or area of FRC is public interest entities, listed companies, state-owned enterprises, regulatory bodies, auditors, professional accountants, government, and general public. So here, see that vast area. So function of FRC, setting a standard of financial reporting, auditing, valuation, and accrual service. So for setting a standard and licensing of auditors, approving the audit firms, audit practice review, and financial non-financial reporting review. This is the function. So what FRC will do? FRC ensure international financial reporting standards and international standards of auditing. So IFRS and ISA will regulate, ensure by the FRC. Ensure compliance with Code of Corporate Governance. Provision of training, seminar, and facilitate implementation of accounting standards. Ensuring feedback from all stakeholders to improve quality audit and financial and non-financial reporting. So, in the broad sense, function of FRC are setting a standard and implementing them in consideration of the respective and socio-economic condition of Bangladesh. And after keeping consistency with internationally accepted and quality financial reporting, auditing standards, valuation, and accrual services. Ensure compliance with internationally accepted quality standards set by the International Accounting Standard Board, International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board, or related other international bodies. Ensuring effective compliance, monitoring, and enforcement of the financial reporting and auditing standards set by the Council. That means FRC, Financial Reporting Council. Setting necessary rules, regulations, standard, guidelines, and codes, and ensuring their enforcement for the purpose of ensuring a qualitative standard of financial reporting, accounting, and auditing. Monitoring auditing practices and exercise of auditors for the purpose of maintaining high standard of professional conduct. Giving advice on activities in relation to the accounting and auditing, and providing information related services as certain information storage. Ensuring auditors and maintaining related information, a register and publication therefore. Ensuring compliance of reporting requirement prescribed by any other act. Giving recommendation on academic certificates, courses, and various teaching, training, internship, articleship, and research activities run by professional accountant bodies, just like CISA, CMA, ICMAB, ICAB, ICGAB, and providing assistance in development. Observing professional development activities run by the professional accounting bodies for the fulfillment of the purpose of this act. Because you know, by the Act, Financial Reporting Act, both CA and CMS, both are the professional accountant, and both institute regulated by, that is observed by the FRC. We'll observe. Encouraging and where applicable, financing research on such subject to which the financial report, accounting, auditing, corporate governance systems can be enforced more effectively. Making necessary rules and regulation, conducting investigation, taking sustainable procedure, engaging or whether applicable, executing memorandum of understanding, fixing charge, fee, a service provided by the council, imposing fund under this act, giving recommendation or advice to the government about financial reporting, doing such other activities as fit for the council. So, look, your regulator, so FRC. So here, if you go for the website of FRC, then there you will see everything. So today we cover what we covered. We covered two items: the role and of National Professional Oversight Board for the Accountancy and Auditing Practice Board for UK, and Financial Reporting Council FRC Bangla for Bangladesh. So today I have finished our module 2 of business ethics, or also the continuation of ethics and business. And next I will release another module, module 3, just for today. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.